Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can use the green screen feature in CapCut. So you can prepare your green screen videos or green screen photos, and you can tap on project and then select the green screen, and then you can select other image or video. For example, just click add, and then so you can select the green screen photo or videos, and then you can select the cutout. To remove the green screen, you can select chroma key and select the color, the green color, and adjust for the intensity, and then adjust for the shadow. Just click check mark and make it as an overlay. So select overlay. Just for the time, and that's it. You can adjust for the size, scale, and the position. So that's how you can use the green screen feature in CapCut apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.